Hey guys, and welcome to another botany video. And in today's video, it is raining. Today we are going to talk about oak trees, the most well-known tree in the entire world. Oak trees are great for more than just climbing. Oak trees grow tall and wide. Their trunk can reach as thick as 6 feet in diameter. Their roots are also spread out very wide. They're called lateral roots. And then unlike going down deep like some roots do, lateral roots spread out real far and wide. Oak trees live a long time, and most are deciduous, like the one I drew, but some can be evergreens. Oak trees are used in all kinds of furniture, but are also used in making barrels for aging alcohol, most commonly used in whiskey barrels. Oak trees don't actually drop apples, as Minecraft would lead you to believe. They actually drop acorns, which I'm sure some of you already knew that. Acorns are not just eaten by squirrels, which you guys probably already did know, but did you know that they're eaten by blue jays, wood ducks, wild turkeys, deer, raccoon, rabbits, and many more things, including the acorn weevil, which, when they lay their eggs, I guess they lay them inside of an acorn, because the babies eat the inside of the acorns. Acorns are also eaten by us, but have to undergo a long process to become edible, because they are toxic when consumed in large quantities. Oak trees are truly a beauty to behold. I highly recommend planting one of these bad boys. But if you want to use it for shade or for climbing, you're going to have to wait a long time, because they do take a long time to grow. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about plants in today's video. If you guys want to learn more about plants, go and check out my other botany videos. And as always, tell me what plants you guys want me to talk about. I hope to see you guys in the next video.